Rev up your engines!
Scotty, do you believe in Italian tune-ups? Yes, and for those of you who don't know what an Italian tune-up is, it means you just get in your car and you drive it real fast on the highway. Driving your car really fast on the highway actually cleans stuff. Years ago, we had a Toyota Camry station wagon, and my wife was a teacher. She drove it to school and back, which was a 3-mile trip there and a 3-mile back. And it ran fine because it was a Toyota, but one day, we took it for vacation to San Antonio. Well, the speed limit part of the way there was 85 miles an hour, so I drove it 90 miles an hour. And when we got back, that thing ran like a rocket ship, driving it that fast. Fuel injector sprayed the fuel in, it cleaned the valves. It really does work. If you don't drive a car much fast and you drive it for an hour or two at 85, 90 miles an hour, if the speed limit is that in your area, it will actually clean things out and it'll run better. It actually does work. Now, if you drive fast all the time, it won't do anything because you're already doing that. But if you don't, an Italian tune-up really does do stuff. Hattie Turner says, I replaced the compressor in my '08 Malibu 4 times. What be causing them not to work? Okay, the first thing is, it's a Chevy compressor. Never, ever, ever put a rebuilt compressor. I have a video on that. Why not to use rebuilt AC compressors? That explains it all. So one, don't use a rebuilt one. New, buy a new one. Now, you don't have to go to the Chevy dealer and buy a new one. I buy Chinese-made, brand new compressors for those, and they work perfectly fine. But here's the thing about compressors. When they go bad, a lot of times, there's another reason. You could have a clogged orifice tube. You could have a clogged condenser. The cooling fans might not work. There could be other problems in the system. You want a real mechanic to check that stuff out rather than just replace the compressor. You want to replace at least the orifice tube, flush the system out, change the receiver dryer, make sure the cooling fans are working, because AC compressor work is expensive and you don't want to keep doing it over and over. But above all, never use the remanufactured compressor in the GM because they have problems enough with new ones. You don't want to chance it with a rebuilt one. James Henson says, I'm trying to remove the fuel rail off my Buick 1990 Electric Park Avenue to change the fuel injectors. I watch your videos, and all those cars are different than mine. Okay, it's an old car. It's a 90. So everything's going to be brittle. So you want to take your time and realize that when you're getting all the plastic crap out of the way that's in between to where you get to the fuel rail, you're probably going to break stuff. That's just going to happen, and just replace the stuff when you break the plastic stuff. Take your time, work on a cold engine, and you want to just not rush yourself. Do it when it's either cooler, or do like I do, get a beach umbrella, stick it over the car and get a giant fan to cool you so you don't overheat, and so it blows all the leaking gasoline fumes away from you so you don't have to smell them. It's a health hazard, so if you blow the fumes away, you won't have to worry about it. I do that all the time when I'm working on them.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.